So, Jeff, increasingly we're finding we have viral vector producing facilities that are our customers. Can you tell us about how DET matters for them and what CURIS has done?
Yeah, so we work with a number of viral vector facilities. Some common organisms that they might work with include adenovirus, AAV, lentivirus, with adenovirus being a non-enveloped virus and lentivirus being an enveloped virus. Non-enveloped viruses are particularly difficult to decontaminate. Many disinfectants don't really affect them significantly or have a significant reduction on them. So many facilities will want to go through DET or disinfection efficacy testing with the disinfectants that they plan to use around adenovirus or other non-enveloped viruses that they might work with. And so one particular facility that we worked with, they wanted to test and see what level of log reduction they could achieve on adenovirus using our fumigation systems before bringing it into their site. They actually determined that they wanted to see a 10 to the 10 log reduction of adenovirus. So they had our system go through a fumigation GLP testing with adenovirus on all sorts of different carrier types, such as cleanroom epoxy flooring, isolator glass, and more. And our system was able to pass that with flying colors, reaching all around the test locations to be able to get a full 10 to the 10 log reduction of adenovirus, which is a non-enveloped virus. And this can give confidence that regardless of what virus the viral vector facility is working with, whether it's AAV or lentivirus, which is much easier to kill, that we have the efficacy data to be able to support a successful outcome and a comprehensive outcome reaching everywhere in the space.
Why are they so concerned about being able to eliminate it to that degree? Is it just their products or are there other reasons?
That's a great question. So there's a couple of reasons why they would want to achieve high-level decontamination all throughout their facility and achieve a very high-level log reduction against the particular virus that they're working with. The first is protecting the drug product. They want to be able to decontaminate the environment against all sorts of microbial contamination, and achieving a full 6 log spore shuttle reduction or 10 log non-enveloped virus reduction throughout the space helps to ensure product sterility and product integrity in general. So that's an important factor. The other is that the viral vector is something that could negatively impact their own people in their facility. So they do, from a staff safety standpoint, also want to eliminate any residual viral particles throughout the space. And lastly, it's also important to do this for batch protection, cross-contamination between products. They may make multiple products in the same space using similar vectors. However, you don't want one batch mixing with another batch.